To work this textured stitch, you're going to begin your row with a chain 1 and a turn, which I've already completed. You're going to work a single crochet in the first stitch. Now at this point, it has been recommended to use a stitch marker on that first stitch so it's easier to identify when you come back around. So I just like these little round safety pins and just place that right there in the first stitch to mark your stitch placement. To work the down and over single crochet, you're going to put your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Now you're going to go down 1 row and go over 1 stitch, but you're going to work behind. So you're going to go down 1 row and over behind 1 stitch. So insert your hook in there, pull up a loop to the same height that your single crochets, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Okay, now you're going to single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So there's 1, 2, 3, and now you're going to do a down over single crochet. So again, insert your hook into that next stitch, pull up a loop, go down 1 row and behind 1 stitch, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Okay, single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, a down over single crochet, insert your hook, pull up a loop, go down 1 row and over, insert your hook into that stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Repeat all the way around, creating these little crossover. Okay, I've worked all the way around. I'm going to insert my hook into my marked first stitch, take out the stitch marker, and join with a slip stitch, chain 1, and turn my work. Skip the joining slip stitch and single crochet in that first stitch and mark that stitch again with a stitch marker. Okay, so I've turned my work, worked my beginning single crochet and marked it. I'm going to work 1 more single crochet, and then I'm going to repeat that down and over single crochet. You can see here's the long stitch or the down and over single crochet from the last row. You're going to insert into the top of that stitch, pull up a loop, go down 1 row and over 1 stitch behind, pull up a loop, pull it up to the height of the same stitch, single crochets, and yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. You can see that there is almost like this sideways V that has been made. As you crochet multiple rows of the stitch, you can see that it builds upon itself, and you can see the small V's that are created going sideways, back and forth, this zigzag throughout each of the rows.